Hello, in front of me Motorola One Zoom, and I'm gonna show you how to change size of your slow motion. So open camera, now click on this marker to enter the settings, and as you can see we have here options for the rear camera and for the selfie camera. So slow motion size is here, and we can go for the 120 and 240. And of course the same for the selfie camera. So I will go for the HD 240 frames per second. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for the watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.